In today's video, we'll learn how to use lookup function. Although VLOOKUP is the most popular lookup reference function, but it also has its own limitation. VLOOKUP looks vertically for a value and returns a value from the same row in another column, but the column is supposed to be on the right side only. VLOOKUP cannot get the information from the left column. But that is not the case with lookup function. We'll see how to use lookup function in a while, so stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. Here in our info sheet we have name, email and mobile number of the salesperson. And in our cost sheet we have email address, salary, commission and allowance of the salesperson. Now our task is to get the name and mobile number of the salesperson in our cost sheet since that is missing. But we can't really use VLOOKUP since the name in the info sheet is on the left side of the email address. Now either we have to move our email column to the left side of the name in order to use VLOOKUP, or we can use combination of other functions like match and index. But in such cases lookup function comes handy. So we will achieve our task with the help of lookup function. First, let us create the space on the left side of the salary column in the cost sheet so that we can fetch the name and mobile number of the salesperson from the info sheet. We can do this by selecting the entire column with control space and pressing Ctrl Shift plus to insert new column. Now let us give the column header here and increase some space to write our formula. Our formula goes like equal to lookup open parenthesis. Now you can see here there are two options in which we can feed the arguments. The first option requires 3 arguments. First argument is the lookup value. This is the value which we are looking for. Second is the lookup vector, which is the range of cells where we want to search our lookup value. And the third argument is the result vector, which is the range of cells from which function will have to return the result. We will come to the second option of the formula in a while. First let us use the option we learned right now. The first argument is the lookup value. In our case, it is email address residing in cell C2, comma. Next argument is lookup vector, which is in the info sheet from C2 till C26, comma. And the last argument is result vector, which is A2 till A26 in the same sheet and close parenthesis. And we got the name SP18. Now since we have name of the salesperson, let us get the mobile number with the help of second option in the lookup function. And our formula goes like equal to lookup open parenthesis. In the second option, 2 arguments are required. First one is again the lookup value that we want to search, and the second is array. Unlike the first option which needs lookup and result vector, this option only needs array, which contains both lookup and result. When used second option, the function will consider the first column as lookup vector and the last column will be considered as result vector. The first argument is again the lookup value. In our case, it is name of salesperson residing in cell A2, comma. The second argument is the array, which is in our info sheet starting from A2 till B26 and close parenthesis. And we got the mobile number also. Now let us freeze the range in our formulas and copy paste it in our remaining cells. And we are done. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.